Hi, hello friends. A very good morning to everyone. Today the climate is very good. So, when we got up early in the morning, we had some tea and with biscuits. And my children insisted me, Mom, don't want the regular breakfast. We want something new. So I thought, why can't we do something in bread? So I have decided to do bread masala with the help of some ingredients that I have at home. So this will be very tastier and the children will love to eat. Let us see all the ingredients that I have taken here. I have taken half packet of bread here. From the full packet I have taken half packet of bread. I have taken butter, Amul butter, a bowl full of chopped onions. I have taken 2 big onions. I have chopped it very finely, and 1 tomato. 1 big tomato I have taken. Chopped ginger garlic. I have chopped it into very fine pieces. And 2 green chilies I have taken here. I have cut that roughly. 1 small bowl of capsicum. Small bowl of coriander leaves. 1½ tablespoon of tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. So with the help of these ingredients, I am going to make bread masala. So first we have to apply butter onto the bread and keep it aside. I have taken a bread size here. With the help of the brush, I have taken some butter into it, brush on both sides, then toast it on a tawa. So now I have placed the bread on the tawa by applying butter. Now we have to toast this till golden brown. Now the rest of the bread also I have applied the butter and kept it ready for toasting. Now on the other hand, my bread have tossed up till golden brown. We will remove this and put the other set of breads here. What we have to do is cut the toasted bread into small pieces. Now I have cut this bread pieces into smaller pieces. I have kept another pan here. Now let this be heated. We will add some oil. We are not going to add butter because we have already applied butter on the bread. So while frying up in the masala, we are going to use only the oil, refined oil. Now my pan is heated. I have poured 4 tablespoons of oil in this. And now I am going to add the chopped ginger garlic first. I am going to add the chopped ginger garlic. Little bit I have taken here. Now fry this up nicely in the oil. The oil should not be overheated. Please be careful. While this is getting fried up, I will add the green chilies to here. 2 green chilies I have taken. Now nice aroma is coming from this. Oh my, really it is very good. Now let us add the chopped onions into this. This will not be spicy and all. Children will mostly like. Now in this masala we can add ginger garlic paste too. But that will not be that much of nice. So I am using chopped ginger and garlic. That gives a good flavor and taste also. So please avoid ginger garlic paste. If you don't have in case of chopped ginger and garlic, then add a little bit of ginger garlic paste in this. Fry this up nicely till golden brown. Now to this, let me add the tomatoes. 1 big tomato I have taken. I have taken the pulp from that, and then only the tomato I have added, only the outer part of the tomato I have added. Now with this, I am going to add the capsicum too. A small ball of capsicum I have taken. Add this too in this. Now a little bit of salt goes in this. I have taken a half a tablespoon of salt. Let me mix this up nicely. Half a tablespoon of chili powder I have taken here. A little bit of garam masala goes in this. Since it's very dry, you can add a little bit of water. Now mix this nicely till the vegetables and the capsicum and the tomatoes get softer. We have to fry this up. Now to this, I'm going to add the tomato sauce. 1.5 tablespoon of tomato sauce. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix up very nicely. To this, add a little bit of water again. Now to this, add a little bit of butter again. Masala has been nicely fried up. Add the bread that we have kept here. I have mixed this very nicely. You can see this, how lovely it looks. Chili bread, you can call it as chili bread also, masala bread. It looks delicious. Now add some chopped coriander leaves on top of that. Mix that too very nicely. Completely it has mixed with the masala. Now turn off the flame. I'm going to serve this in a plate. I have served this in a plate. You can see this, how lovely that looks. It's delicious and it's just smelling yummicious also. Please do try it at home. You can serve this with mayonnaise or even for tomato sauce. That goes very nicely. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at Bakes.com. Have a nice day. Bye.